Prophecy confirmation. Indeed, when the servant of God speaks, the wise listen.
During the Sunday service on the 13th of November 2022, the man of God, Apostle Ali LUKUMBA, gave a word of prophecy concerning the nation Zambia. These were his words.
Let us pray for Southern Lusaka Central. We need to expect floods, fields being destroyed by this floods, this rain. Go up normal and above normal rains. I said it this October, and God is showing me again. It is well. Amen. It is well. God will see us through. Amen.
Hundreds of people in Chief Yongo area in Monze district, Southern Province, have been left homeless, while many infrastructures such as bridges, roads and school got destroyed. The district has experienced above normal rains this season. Monze District Commissioner Mwanza Malambo, who was accompanied by Monze Town Council Chairperson Paul Mutenguna, visited Teme Primary, where schoolhouses and properties such as computers, where the thousands of kwachas were damaged due to floods experienced in the area.
This situation is very grave. In terms of the humanity, at this point in time, I think we need national disaster management to come in, because there's no way our people to survive. The water is too heavy for them. You can see this institution is completely submerged. It is right up, we are now in water. Their property, their food, the entire buildings are right up in water. So we have no choice but to provide the top leadership.
This area have described this year's rain season and floods as the first of its kind in the chiefdom.
Submerged in water, and also almost all the fields, they are submerged in water, which means the agriculture sector is gone, which means that there will be hunger looming around. And currently also there are areas that we cannot access. There are areas like Mutiti, Hamwimbu, where we have even over 300 people that are already affected as at yesterday. Houses are fallen, but we can't reach there because it's not accessible. We only need air transport to get those people, to get them to the highest ground.
The heavy rains and floods continue to cause panic among villagers following the destruction of over 120 houses, including school properties at Nteme Primary.